Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Mingw w64 from Where Engineer. Today in this brand new video, we'll be discussing about how to download and install the Visual Studio Code for C and C++ programming. This is actually the series video where we'll be discussing about OOP, that is Object Oriented Programming with C++. So make sure you subscribe our YouTube channel and help it to grow. Make sure you hit that bell icon on as well so that you will get notified whenever we upload the video. So first of all, to install the Visual Studio Code, just go to Chrome browser, and in the Chrome browser you can search Visual Studio Code or vscode, right? And this is the official site of Visual Studio Code, that is code.visualstudio.com. I will give the link down in the description as well. You can check it out from there. So here you can see download for Windows. You can simply download from here, but if you want to download it manually, then here you can see if you are a Mac OS user, you can download any one version here, stable or insiders. Okay, we will download Windows 64-bit. This is the stable one. So just click in stable version to download, and you can see thanks for downloading the VS Code for Windows, and the download process has already started. So after you download, your extension file will be stored in the download section here. You can see Visual Studio user setup. So just hit enter here or open the application, and your installing process will be started. This is the window to install the Visual Studio Code. Here you can see I accept the agreement. Just click here and click in next. Now you can see here more options. I think in your default condition, this will be in your condition, right? You just have to click these two buttons because this will help in the future when you program. You can directly open from the folder. So you just make sure you hit these two options, and you can create an icon in the desktop like this if you want. So for me, I have already, so I'll just click in next. So just click in install, and your installing process has been started. So it will take just a while according to your PC. Now here you can see the installing process has been finished, and you can open this application now. So this is the window where you freshly start the Visual Studio Code. So here you can see this is the extension. Just go to extension. Okay, just click here, and you have to install some of the extension for C and C++. If you go here and search C++, then you can see this is the extension from Microsoft. You just have to install here. I have already installed, so it is showing that on install. So you just install this, and another one is run. So this is the code runner. So just click in code runner, and you can install this as well. So I have already installed. So here you can see on install option. So by doing this, you are not done yet. So you just have to download the compiler for C and C++ to run in Visual Studio Code. So for the compiler, you just have to go to Google again and search Mingw w. So Mingw w is the compiler for C and C++. So you can search Mingw w compiler for C and C++. Just hit enter. So here you can see tons of sites where we can get the Mingw w, but one of the recommended site is sourceforge.net. So just go here, or I'll give the link down in the description as well. You can check it out from there, and your downloading process will be automatically start in 5 seconds, right? So I have already downloaded, so I will go to file. Here you can select the directory, but here just click in continue, and your installing process will be started. So it will depends upon your internet connection. Just wait and watch. So here you can see our downloading process and installing process has finished. Just click in continue, and you are done. So here you can see for what you want to download the Mingw w. So here you can see we are downloading for C++ project, as I have mentioned earlier. So here you can see GNU C++ compiler. So you just have to tick this one and mark for installation. And here you can see other thing for C compiler. So this is also for C. So we'll mark this also, and other. According to your need, you can download anyone. So wherever you see C++ or C compiler, you just click that and mark for installation, right? Finally, we get 3 packages. So we will install these 3 packages for C and C++. So just click in installation, and here you can see apply changes, right? So just click in apply changes, and again click in apply. So let's just wait for a while and I'll be back. Okay, finally you can see here our Mingw w also installed. So you just have to click in close and you are done. Now refresh your PC and you just have to go to drive. This is a C drive. Okay, so here you can see Mingw w. Just go here and go to bin and copy the path. So just click in path and Ctrl+C and copy this, and after that you just have to come to the start menu and go to search and search here edit the system environment variables, or you can go from properties of the settings as well. Here just open this and here you can see environment variables. Just click here and here in this section you can see the path. Just click in path and click in edit. Now here choose the white space and here click in new, and here you just have to paste the path that you have copied earlier. So Ctrl+V and you can see Mingw w/bin, then click in white space and again click in OK. Now you are done. Now again click in OK and again OK, and you are done. Now restart your PC. Restarted my PC. Now here again we will open the vscode. Okay, so here you have to save the file first. Let's save it, file and save. Let's save it and now try to run this program. So you can see here hello world is printed. So in this way you can use VS Code for C and C++ programming. So in our further video we will use this Visual Studio Code for our entire programming session. So hope you like this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel and help it to grow. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.